Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing another makeup look. I'm thinking of doing like a pinky natural kind of look. I have a new palette I'm gonna try out and some other products. So yes, I don't have much to say. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and keep on watching. I know you can't see this too well on the camera, but this is the Ulta Beauty 24K Magic Metallic Peel Off Mask. Today I don't feel like put it all over my face. I'm just gonna like put it under my eyes because I saw Huda Beauty. She does it like under her eye or whatever. So that's what I'm gonna do. That does not look cute. Gotta leave it under my eyes so that it brightens my eyes because it's supposed to give you a bright and glowing complexion. So we're gonna leave it so it like smooths out under my eyes or whatever. Today I'm going to prime my eyes. Today I'm going to try the Maybelline Fit Me concealer. This one's the 10 Fair because I'm like very pale right now and I like just tried regular light and it was too dark. Okay, so now that we look even more loca, let's start with this eyeshadow because like go. So excited because I got some new brushes. I got my first Morphe brush and like I'm so excited. I got these ones from Echo Tools. So they're all super soft. I'm really excited. I also got this palette. It's the Beach Cosmetics Hanging in Hawaii eyeshadow palette. I'm just gonna start off by taking the shade Shaka up here as like a transition color with that Morphe M433. I'm going to take this shade down here. It's like a darker brown and it's called Mahalo with just the same brush, and I'm gonna put it on this outer V. You know what I just noticed? That like I haven't done many natural looks on YouTube. Okay, I'm going to take that same Maybelline concealer and this Wet n Wild like eyeshadow brush. Oh yeah, okay. And Millie, I know you requested like a brown look. I said you could do this because it's like kind of brown, but yeah. But I'll keep it like on a brown tone because I know you suggested like a brown look. Yeah, it's definitely time to take these off, but I'm going to put on like my shimmer shade that I'm gonna put on. Wow, I really like those cut creases, like they're even. All right, I'm going to take this shade down here called Wakiki, the Echo Tools like smudge brush, and put that on our lid. Oh, this is pretty. VH Cosmetics, like their eyeshadow palettes are just like so good. Me Back to Brazil palette, like the colorful one that I have, that's basically my favorite palette. And I find it weird because when I bought it, I just bought it like for fun, but I didn't start my Instagram account by then. It was just more for like a fun palette or whatnot at home. Like I don't go out in eyeshadow. If you were ever to see me out in public, you would never see me with eyeshadow. I only film videos and like I do my eyeshadow, but if you ever see me out in public, I'll just have like my, you know how I sometimes upload like my everyday, well not on YouTube but on Instagram, I'll upload like my everyday makeup routine. That's what you'll see me in. So let's peel. Oh, this comes off nice. For primer, I'm going to use the Smashbox Photo Finish Primerizer. It's their primer and moisturizer in one. And then to like smooth out my face, I'm going to use the Smashbox Original Photo Finish Primer. So for foundation, I'm going to use the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless foundation. This is in the shade 125 Nude Beige. For concealer, I'm going to use that same Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade Fair. I'm going to set under my eyes with the Airspun powder, and today I'm going to use the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer, and like this is the most smoothest stuff ever. I've like swatched it on my hand. It's so smooth. For blush today, I'm going to go into the Tarte Pro Glow and Blush palettes. I'm going to go in with this blush shade right here, and there's nothing on this blush. Hi, hello blush, where are you? Literally nothing showing up. Oh my god, now I look like a clown. Wait, hold on. I'm going to dip back into the first shade called Shaka for my bottom lash with that same Morphe M433 brush. And this second shade, which was Mahalo, and put it right against my lash line. I'm gonna take this shade called Hula and put it in my inner corner. My AC turned on and like it's very loud, so I had to turn it off. But I put the shade Hula on my inner corner, and it's like too out there. For highlighter today, I'm going to use the Physicians Formula Butter Highlighter. This is in the shade Champagne. I'm not gonna do lashes today. I'm gonna keep it kind of natural. So I'm going to use the Benefit Bad Gal Bang Mascara. I say that for my 3 lip glosses, Clear is sold out. So I want to wait till I sell out of Isadora and Ari so I can make a new batch. So yeah, as of right now, Clear is sold out. But Isadora and Ari are still available. And they are on sale for $4. They're usually $5.50, but they're on sale for $4. And I have 3 left of Isadora and 3 left of Ari, so I have 6 in total. Yes, I'm trying to sell out so I can make a new batch. I really enjoy these glosses, and I enjoy making them. You can head over to my Instagram, makeup.by.yamila, and click the link in my bio to order and go to my website. Or you can DM me through Instagram, and I'll accept PayPal, Cash App, and Zelle, like as a choice of payment if you DM me. Yes, they're on sale for $4. Go grab them. And today I'm going to use the shade Ari. This one's cupcake scented, Isadora is blueberry scented, and Claire is peppermint scented. And today I'm going to try this Milani Make It Dewy setting spray. It's to hydrate, illuminate, and set your face. Alright guys, so that is all I have for you guys today. I definitely liked this palette. I liked all the new products that I liked. I liked all the new products that I tried out today. Yes, don't forget to head over to my Instagram, makeup.by.yamila. Check it out, give it a follow. We just reached 600 followers. Like, thank you so much. Check the link in my bio, DM me for some lip gloss. You know, they're on sale for $4. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.